This Gorgosaurus is a cast. The original is at the Children's Museum in Indianapolis. It's one of the most fantastic theropod dinosaurs actually that's been discovered. It's something close to 90% complete, and it has the most cool healed injuries, which are really kind of snapshots of its life. We see that it has a broken fibula. One of its legs is broken. The lower leg is broken, and that fibula has been contracted by the tendons drawing up. It has actually had broken one of the trochanters on the femur from the other leg, from the left leg. It had two broken legs. It survived those two broken legs. It has a smashed shoulder girdle here, right here. You can see that extra bone grown on that shoulder girdle. And when we were working on this fossil initially, cleaning it and preparing it, we started noticing all these things. And then I was trying to get some idea, because I studied tyrannosaurs and looking at the brain case, and I wanted to get an endocast from the brain, where the brain was. And when we opened the brain up to try to get an endocast and clean the matrix out, we found there's actually a bony substance within that brain case that grew there. And working with a number of pathologists, with Eli Lilly, veterinarian pathologists, we were able to determine that this is probably the first evidence of a brain tumor preserved as a fossil. And it's a bone-forming meningioma, or perhaps a bone-forming cancer that grew within the cerebellum of the animal, which is responsible for balance. And so we think all these other injuries were probably a result of this brain tumor. And it's something that we never expected to find, and just gives us another new idea of what is possible in fossil preservation. This was found actually in a bone bed of Maiasaura, the good mother lizard, and there's literally hundreds of these animals buried in one place, and this particular skeleton was discovered there along with Bambiraptor. They were discovered actually in quite close proximity. Certainly that brain tumor contributed to her death. If it didn't directly cause it death, all these injuries would have made it very, very difficult for this animal to survive. And there's even broken places in the gastralia basket, and broken rib, just nasty, nasty things that happened to this poor, poor Gorgosaurus.